Welcome to Virginia Commonwealth University and our College of Engineering. My name is Benjamin Myers and I work in our Office of Enrollment and Recruitment for the College of Engineering. I would like to take just a couple of minutes to introduce you to opportunities for you here at VCU and within our College of Engineering, and I invite you to reach out to us if you have any interest in further information or have any additional questions for us. Thanks in advance for your time, and let's go ahead and get started. Virginia Commonwealth University is a large urban research university located in the capital city of Richmond, Virginia. VCU has over 31,000 students, which is made up of our undergraduate, graduate, and professional student populations. Students who apply to Virginia Commonwealth University have over 60 different majors to choose from, and we offer over 120 degree opportunities. We are very excited within our College of Engineering. We are growing, and our college was established in 1996. And in 1998, we built our first engineering building, Engineering West Hall. And in 2008, we built our second engineering building, Engineering East Hall, which is pictured here. And in the fall of 2020, we're going to be opening up our third engineering research building, which is known as the ERB, which will be attached to engineering and immediately behind Engineering East Hall. We have approximately 2,000 engineering students made up of our undergraduate and graduate population. Students applying to our College of Engineering have many different degree options. We offer biomedical engineering, chemical engineering with a concentration in life science, computer science, electrical engineering, computer engineering, or mechanical engineering, where we offer a concentration in nuclear engineering. Applying to our College of Engineering is a simple process. Students use the common application. When applying to VCU, if you specifically choose our College of Engineering, you can apply to the engineering major of your choice. You also have the opportunity to apply as an undeclared student within our College of Engineering, or you can simply apply to VCU, take the prerequisite courses, and enter our College of Engineering under our change of major process. Our scholarship deadline for students is November 15th. It's important to note that applying on or before November 15th gives you automatic consideration for our various levels of scholarship. We do also offer a FIRST Robotics Scholarship through our College of Engineering, which is a separate application process. If you have any questions about our FIRST Robotics Scholarship, please feel free to reach out to us. Listed here is our academic profile information for our College of Engineering students. Students who apply to the College of Engineering are required to submit their high school transcripts as well as their standardized test scores. We accept both the ACT and/or ACT scores. If you have any questions about our academic profile, reach out to us. Being a research university, Virginia Commonwealth University and our College of Engineering offers many very exciting research opportunities for our students. Our vertically integrated projects program allows students to do research in a project-based environment under the mentorship of faculty and graduate level students. Students and VIPs also earn tech elective credit towards graduation. Students involved in our DURI program, our Dean's Undergraduate Research Initiative, are involved in a fellowship level research experience where they are paid researchers. So in addition to the research experience, students operate as part-time workers. We also offer our Da Vinci Center, which is a creative project and research, innovation, and design through our School of Business, College of Engineering, School of the Arts, and College of Humanities and Sciences. In the Da Vinci Center, students work on real-world business solutions. Pictured here are several of our research labs within our College of Engineering. Again, it's important for students to know that we are a research university, and students can get involved in research as early as their freshman year. Research is a fantastic opportunity. to move you towards your first internship or co-op opportunity or your first career. We offer one-on-one academic advising for all of our majors, and students who enter our College of Engineering as an undeclared student will meet with an academic advisor who will help them navigate the process of choosing the engineering major that's right for them. Our Career Services team helps prepare students for their internships, co-ops, and/or first engineering careers. Our Career Services teams help students develop their resumes, do practice interview preparation, and they also organize and coordinate large career fairs and other career events so businesses can network with our engineering students. We have fantastic student organizations within our College of Engineering that support students and bring them additional experiences within the engineering community. Our Formula SAE race car team is a collaboration between students in our School of the Arts, School of Business, and College of Humanities and Sciences and College of Engineering. We also offer a fraternity and sorority specific to our College of Engineering, as well as several other organizations which support students at various levels. We have a very large social media presence within our College of Engineering and invite you to follow us on several of our social media platforms. If you would like to see some of our senior design projects or hear some student success stories, please go to our YouTube videos. We're very active on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and this is a very easy way for you to keep up with what's happening in our College of Engineering. Richmond is a very fun and engaging community. Our campus is located in the center of Richmond, Virginia. Students have access to the James River, our Virginia Museum of Fine Arts, Carytown, as well as several green spaces such as the James River Park System and Maymont Park. If available, please come and visit, take a campus tour, and see everything that Richmond has to offer. Here is our Office of Enrollment and Recruitment contact information. We would love to hear from you, answer any questions you have, and send you additional information. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and thank you for your time in watching this video.